Vitamin A plays a remarkable and often underappreciated role in wound healing and tissue repair, acting as a key nutrient that orchestrates the complex biological processes needed to restore the body's protective barriers after injury. Whether it's a minor scrape, a surgical incision, or damage to the mucous membranes inside the respiratory or digestive tracts, vitamin A supports the growth of new cells and the regeneration of healthy tissue, helping the body recover efficiently and reducing the risk of infection and scarring. At the cellular level, vitamin A is essential for cell proliferation and differentiation, two critical steps in tissue repair. When the skin or mucous membranes are injured, the body rapidly needs to produce new epithelial cells to replace the damaged ones and close the wound. Vitamin A ensures that these new cells develop properly, maintaining the correct structure and function of the tissue. Without adequate vitamin A, this regenerative process slows down, leading to delayed healing and an increased risk of wounds becoming chronic or infected. Vitamin A also stimulates the production of collagen, the primary structural protein in connective tissues that provides strength and elasticity to the skin. Collagen formation is crucial not only for closing wounds but also for rebuilding the dermal matrix that supports new skin cells. By promoting collagen synthesis, vitamin A helps wounds regain their integrity and resilience, preventing excessive scarring and promoting a more natural repair process. Beyond cellular growth, vitamin A supports the immune response at the wound site. Injured tissue is vulnerable to invasion by bacteria and other pathogens, so an effective immune defense is vital to prevent infection. Vitamin A enhances the activity of immune cells such as macrophages and neutrophils, which clear debris and fight off harmful microorganisms. This immune support helps create an optimal healing environment, reducing inflammation and accelerating recovery. In the mucous membranes lining the respiratory, digestive, and urinary tracts, vitamin A's role in tissue repair is equally important. These membranes are constantly exposed to environmental irritants and pathogens, and any damage to them needs to be rapidly repaired to maintain their barrier function. Vitamin A promotes the regeneration of these linings, helping prevent infections and supporting overall mucosal health. Clinical studies have demonstrated that individuals with adequate vitamin A levels tend to heal wounds faster and more effectively. In contrast, deficiency can lead to poor wound healing, increased susceptibility to infections, and prolonged inflammation. This connection is particularly relevant for populations with higher demands for tissue repair, such as surgical patients, burn victims, and those recovering from chronic ulcers. The healing benefits of vitamin A are also harnessed therapeutically. Topical formulations containing retinoids, compounds derived from vitamin A, are commonly used in dermatology to enhance skin repair, reduce scarring, and improve the appearance of damaged skin. These treatments leverage vitamin A's natural ability to promote cell turnover and collagen production, providing targeted support for tissue regeneration. To support optimal wound healing and tissue repair, it's important to maintain adequate vitamin A levels through a balanced diet rich in both preformed vitamin A and beta-carotene. Foods such as liver, eggs, dairy, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale provide the nutrients necessary for these vital processes. Alongside other nutrients involved in healing, like vitamin C, zinc, and protein, vitamin A forms a cornerstone of the body's natural recovery toolkit. In essence, vitamin A is much more than a vitamin. It is a master regulator of the body's ability to heal itself. By supporting new tissue growth, enhancing immune defense, and promoting structural rebuilding, it helps transform injury into recovery. Ensuring sufficient vitamin A intake is therefore not only important for overall health, but also a critical factor in how well and how quickly our bodies mend when faced with wounds or damage.